As the UK ramps up its commitment to increasing renewable energy supply, the outlook for generators has never been more positive. But there are some key actions that can help you to ensure you maximise the returns on generation income in 2025. Firstly, look into securing non-final demand certification from your local distribution network operator, which will help to reduce your energy invoice. This will exempt you from some of the largest non-commodity charges added to any power you import to operate your generation assets. Secondly, as you are no doubt aware, the energy market is volatile and conditions are changeable. So it's always worthwhile reviewing your export arrangements. How you access the market, be it via fixed, flexible or index-linked deal, can make a big difference to your income. Our experts are on hand to help you, so do get in touch or read my latest blog which explains more.